How to add social media icons in WordPress website. Want to boost your website's engagement? Adding social media icons is a simple, effective way to connect with your audience. In this video, I will show you how to easily integrate social media icons into your WordPress site. Let's get started. Log in to your WordPress dashboard. Go to the Plugins menu, click on Add New Plugins. Write in the search bar Simple Social Icons. Click on Install Now and activate. Display icons on your site. Go to the Appearance menu and click on Customize. Scroll down and click on Widgets. Click on Right sidebar. Click on plus icons. Search Simple Social Icons. Click on Simple Social Icons. Write title for social icons. Scroll down and write your own social media link. Click on Publish. Congratulations! You have successfully added social media icons to your WordPress website. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.